Hello, my name is Kyle Pettit. I'm a systems engineer with Dell EMC. This lab will be the Info Archive lab for JDBC. We will cover how to hook up a JDBC connection to Info Archive. During this lab, you will be installing Squirrel SQL. This is a SQL, open source SQL client. Let's go ahead and show you how to install the jar file. You can download the jar file, just doing a quick Google search, the first result here, and go ahead and I'll put that onto my desktop. To install the jar, right click on the jar file, open, and it'll take you through the wizard to install the client. Take all the defaults. Okay, now that you have the Squirrel client installed, go ahead and launch it. Then you'll click the Drivers tab and we'll walk through how to finish configuring the JDBC connection here. Here are the instructions, setup of how you would configure the driver itself. I'll leave this up here just for a second as I talk, but I'm going to flip to the live demo and actually demo the creation of this. Once you right-click the jar file, the installation is rather easy. We'll take all the defaults. Okay, the Squirrel client is now installed. What we're going to do is execute or run Squirrel, launch it. From here, we will click the Drivers tab. We'll click the plus sign. We'll now just fill out the information here per the slide that we showed you previously. The name is arbitrary. The example URL was copied and pasted from the slide that we had there previously. Select extra class path and say add. After you do the extra class path and find the jar file, you select list drivers. It'll put the class name in for the driver that you need there. Select OK, and we're good to go. Okay, to finish configuring the JDBC driver, we'll click the Alias tab, click the plus button next to that, and then select the Info Archive JDBC driver that we just created, and you'll get a dialog like you see here. Let's go ahead and do that. Click the Alias tab here, and click the plus sign. We'll go ahead and select the driver that we just created. Info Archive JDBC. You can notice the stuff that's highlighted already. Once you connect, you'll see it successful connection, similar to what you see here. Let's do that. Okay, once you have the Info Archive JDBC configurations complete, you should just be able to double click on the Info Archive JDBC entry there. And it's trying to connect down there at the bottom. It connected, and we're in. Now we can just do a simple test, prove that we can see the tables that are in the system here. On a SQL query, we're going to do select star from customer and see how that runs. We'll select the customer table. We can see how the columns and such that are in the table here. Go ahead and do a query, select star from customer, and run the query. There you go. We've successfully set up the JDBC connector to view tables in Info Archive.